In this example, we'll transform a YouTube video into a mind map automatically. First, we choose a YouTube video with the content we want to study or summarize. Next, we copy the video link. Then we open the MindMap AI platform, which generates mind maps from different types of content. We paste the YouTube link into the input field. We can also choose the level of detail for the mind map. Here, we select Detailed Mode to generate a more complete structure. Optionally, we can enable timestamps, which attach the video time to each topic. Now we simply click Generate. In a few seconds, the system analyzes the video and organizes the concepts into a structured mind map. Each branch represents a key topic, while subtopics contain the explanations, examples, and rules from the lesson. You can explore the map interactively to better understand the content. When you're done, you can export the mind map to review later or share it. Instead of pausing the video to take notes, AI organizes everything for you.